So we are leaving Bangkok. We spent 2 days here and now we're headed up north to Chiang Mai. So I'm just running back to the train station to get us some food because this train ride takes about 10 hours. Luckily it's overnight, and the reason we did that is because now not only do we get from Bangkok all the way up to Chiang Mai, but we don't have to pay for a night in a hostel or hotel or anything. So we're saving double. I've gotten us a feast. Okay, check these out. I have no idea what they are. What? Good? Just arrived at Chiang Mai and we don't have a hostel or hotel or anything booked. So we're just gonna show up. We told the guy to just take us to the center of town and we're just gonna ask around and see who has rooms. And we just walked into one and said, hey, do you have any open rooms? And they had this one and it is sick. Little bean bag, nice double bed for cuddling, and then it's all the way over there, bathroom, TV. And this hotel room costs only $13 per person per night, so that kind of gives you an idea of how cheap it is here in Asia. So plans for today, we're just going to be hanging out in Chiang Mai, and this is going to be like the staging area for our motorbike journey up to a place called Pai. Now Pai is like the coolest little mountain town that I found in Thailand last time I was here. So we're going to be renting motorbikes today and then going up to Pai. So this is the setup. Got the navigation and all the luggage, and he's got his bag and he's got his patriotism. It's cool. So we just stopped on the side of the road for gas and this lady is making brooms. Looks like it's just like wheat or something. Very cool. So we just stopped at a little viewpoint to do some drone flying. And it looks like we have a little homie. What's up, buddy? You wanna come pie with us? Huh? You wanna come?